Big Boss. Big Boss. ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಳ ಇದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. So we are entering into Big Boss Kannada house. Once you enter here, there is no exit for the next 100 days. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅವ್ರು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಾಣೋದು. So let's get in Big Boss house के अंदर, Kannada Big Boss. Let's get in Big Boss house. Ooh, the entrance. Okay, all these group photos. Big Boss, Big Boss. That beautiful house. Oh. This is the real one or not? Good job. So the actual Big Boss house begins from here. Okay. So that was just a demo house, and we are entering into the actual Big Boss, the shooting house. Okay, so here. So we have to walk like this. There was a gate. There is a gate. All right. One gate must be there, right? The sliding gate. Okay, so that is the actual big house, Big Boss house. Back there, that was just a demo. No food or drink. Oh, okay. So this is actually looking, yes, original Big Boss. Do not touch swimming pool water. The glass entry. Bedroom. Do not touch the mirrors. So this is a bedroom, king size beds. Okay. All these are HD cameras. These are the cameras they use. What is this? Captain bedroom? Maybe captain bedroom? Why this? All these false ceilings. The grocery is keeping place. Why there is a small camera here? It is still running. Grocery place is this one, right? The one which we saw, that must be something else. Something. Store. Arrow. Confession room. So, okay, Big Boss confession room.
बिग बॉस नहीं, बिग बॉस मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया बिग बॉस, नो बिग बॉस।